Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this simple building, cartoon type building in Blender. Very easy and very simple cartoon type building in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using. This was the reference and this is our model. This was the reference and this is our model. So this is very beginner friendly model to create. Anybody can create like this type of models. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.